This is starting to look like an SEC versus Citadel situation. Gary Gensler did testify in front of all senators today, where they were able to ask him questions, and he was able to answer those questions. And what is the one name that was brought up over and over and over again? That is, love and behold, Citadel. So let's go over exactly what he said, talking about banning payment for order flow, but a lot of things. There was a lot of shade thrown in most of his replies directed towards Citadel. So let's get straight into it. Drop that like on the video, as well as comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more AMC videos just like this one. So this article says Gensler zeroes in on Citadel Securities as SEC considers payment for order flow ban. Wall Street's top cop said Tuesday that the dominance of Citadel Securities in the business of routing order flow may not be giving retail investors the best deal. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Gary Gensler told the Senate Banking Committee that he's concerned about Citadel Securities' 47% market share over all U.S. listed retail volume. Virtu Financial, another wholesaler, controls about 25 to 30%. In quotes, he says, "I'm a pro-competition, and I'm not sure the payment for order flow system really is the best competitive landscape." Gensler did not mention Citadel Securities by name, but footnotes in the SEC chair's prepared remarks did. The SEC has not ruled out the possibility of a full ban on payment for order flow. The practice of a brokerage like Robinhood passing on stock orders to a wholesaler like Citadel Securities to actually locate and execute. When those wholesalers find a stock at a cheaper price than the investor ordered, the savings are split by the wholesaler and the brokerage, who can then pass on cost savings to the investor in the form of a better price. The payment for order flow model is a major reason why brokerages like Robinhood can offer zero commission trades. Wholesalers also get rebates from exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange for providing liquidity, entrenching their roles as middlemen in stock trades. In quotes, "I think the inherent conflicts of payment for order flow and rebates on the stock exchanges both may make our markets less efficient," Gensler said. Yahoo Finance reported that Gensler raised the issue of concentration of retail order flow in the first meeting of the President's White House Competition Council last Friday, President Joe Biden's initiative to push federal agencies to curb anti-competitive behavior. On the table, questions remain about how the SEC will proceed on any reform. The former Goldman Sachs banker alluded not only to the possibility of banning payment for order flow, but rethinking rebates that the way the prices are referred under the benchmark set by the National Best Bid and Offer, NBBO. In quotes, "In this area, it's all on the table," Gensler said, adding that the SEC's single goal is to encourage competition, in quotes, to lower the cost and raise the efficiency of the equity market structure. What's an arcane mechanic of the brokerage industry? Payment for order flow earned the national spotlight during the early 2021 frenzy over meme stocks like GameStop. Robinhood, which went public in late July, has relied heavily on payment for order flow and saw its revenues from the practice nearly triple in 2020. Many brokerages followed Robinhood in leaning more heavily on payment for order flow as they eliminated commissions, although the likes of Fidelity have remained resistant to the model. After being pulled to Capitol Hill to testify after the run-up in GameStop froze some trading activity, Citadel Securities' Ken Griffin said payment for order flow has been helpful to the brokerage industry and the retail investor at large. In quotes, "This has been very important for the democratization of finance. It has also allowed the American retail investor to have the lowest execution costs they've ever had in the history of the U.S. financial market," Griffin said. Gensler said Tuesday the SEC is close to publishing its report on the meme stock episode, noting that the other SEC commissioners are currently reviewing it. And what is important to know here, trading stocks used to be very expensive, around $20 per trade, no matter if it was one stock or if it was hundreds of stocks. So in that sense, payment for order flow has definitely helped. But what Gary Gensler is against is the lack of competition. Citadel is essentially monopolizing the financial industry, the stock market itself. And that is what the big problem is. We have really brought this to light as the apes of the AMC movement, really showing how fraudulent and corrupt this system can be. And if that really had never happened, Citadel would probably continue to control a majority of the order flow like they already do. 47% is a very large amount. But ultimately, what it comes down to, if you have that much control over what people are paying for stocks and where you get these stocks from, you can manipulate what kind of business you're doing to ultimately help better yourself. And as we do know, Citadel has many branches, but their main Citadel advisors controls over $450 billion as per their 13F filing. So they're making a killing off of this, off of the backs of the apes and the traders in the overall market. But what is important to note is that Citadel majorly goes for retail traders. They want to be a part of the retail trading movement. They don't necessarily want, some of the other stocks that are out there. It says 47% of the retail trading market, and the retail guys like me and you, we are not the biggest part of the market. We are a small percentage, around 5 to 10% of the total overall stock market. So that is the situation. What is going on right here? It does look like, in my personal opinion, we're not going to see a payment for order flow ban, but that we are likely to see Citadel have to relax on some of their control over the retail trading market, or in different words, having more competition, them not being able to control as much as the retail market. So this is really just come about because of the apes and the movement that we have been doing, all of the due diligence. The SEC seems to finally be paying attention. It will take some time before anything gets done, but we will see if they are learning from the apes. So with all of that being said, guys, that is pretty much going to conclude this video. That is what Gary Gensler did say. He had an overall negative, bearish tone towards Citadel every time he said something, because I actually listened to it and watched it live today. That was at about 2 to 3 p.m. during regular trading hours. You've seen a very negative tone towards Citadel. So they're definitely going to do something. Like I said, only time will tell what exactly they do. But drop that like on the video so this video gets pushed out to as many people as possible, as well as comment down below. Let me know what you think some possible solutions to this Citadel problem could be, as well as subscribe to the channel if you are new here, or if you just want more AMC videos just like this one. Also, before you guys head out, make sure to check out the links linked down below in the description. There is a GoFundMe for my ex. As you guys probably do know, she was in a very bad accident, a rollover accident. I just got, because my aunt actually works with the police department, she's the one that told me in the police filing, the car actually rolled 10 to 12 times, as an eyewitness did say, going very, very fast. So that's a bad situation. She is doing a little bit better now. It's only been 2 days, but she won't be working for a very long time. Any donations are very much appreciated. I think that's what the apes are good for, is helping other people out, just like AMC has more than likely helped you out. So if you guys want to, that is pinned in the top comment as well as in the description. But also, I do have a couple other links down there. One link for the buy and sellers. We keep it very inexpensive, so anybody can be a part of that program, grow their knowledge and their portfolios with trading, as well as long-term investing in stock, options, and crypto. We do it all. We day trade, swing trade, and make those long-term investments. So definitely check it out. Also, if you guys want to support the channel with the links for Public and Webull, I do greatly appreciate it. With Public, you get up to $70 in your choice free stock. No need to link a bank account or deposit a single dollar to receive your free stock. It only takes about 3 minutes time. You can also link a debit card to Public to fund your portfolio. So that is all for this video. I'm not going to keep you guys here any longer. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night, and I will see you in the next one.